I love hugging trees. I don't care what people say about tree hugging. I love it. It humbles me that we get to be part of her story 600 years after that little seedling started to grow. You don't feel like wrapping your arms around it? That's not your way?
I don't think I could. It takes 18 people to do that.
That's true.
Yeah. I'm having my moment.
Yeah.
It's cool. I'm Alina. I'm Alina. You can feel the spirit of the tree for sure. It's strong. That's beautiful.
How often do you get to wrap your whole body around something alive that gives oxygen and home? I love it. Oh, it really feels like you come out of the world and into the redwoods world.
They might just be huggable, you never know. I said might be. Wow.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
No, I said
No,
just might be.
No, this is the place. See, it's this simple. See, look.
No, that's not.
No. Come on. Just one hand.
No.
These are Antarctic beech trees, and they're 2,000 years old.
These ones in particular?
These ones in particular.
Oh.
This is a little bit like a homecoming and getting to introduce you to my oldest friends. This is my new friend, Aaron.
Hi.
He's a
How
good
are you?
one.
Nice to meet you. I'm not a hugger.
Without any ounce of the tree hugger jokes, these are intelligent beings that have been alive for hundreds, thousands of years, and they hold a living connection to ancient times that, you know, they are ancient stories.
We were in the tree stick and he's like, oh, not another hugger. No, please, not another hugger. So I kind of just play it cool. I go, no, I'm not a hugger. So don't feel threatened.
I don't know. I think
never know.
If you're a respectful hugger.
Yeah. Beautiful. You know, these trees are also important in ceremony for Aranda people. And they're strongly protected. I mean, generations believe that the beautiful glow of this gum at night is evidence that living spirits exist.
It sure does have a great spirit.
There's this real strong feeling of protection. You know what? I almost hug it.
Oh, go on.
No.
No, come on. No, look, you're so close. No, you're so close.
I'm just Alina. I'm Alina. I don't know a word to get around.
Yeah, okay.
That's the way it is.
Yeah.
You can't change me. You can hug.
All right.
One hug is enough.
Okay.
I'm Alina.
You leave.